Most people think the MX-5 is useless in winter, but I daily drive my MX-5 through cold, wet UK weather, and honestly, it's way better than you think. I'm not talking about winter-summer drives, I mean proper winter use. Whether you're commuting, driving on wet roads, or have an early morning start, this car actually works. And I think the RF makes the MX-5 a great winter car. Let me explain why. The biggest reason is the roof. In winter, it just feels more solid, better insulated, less noisy, and I would say more of a daily driver than the soft top. It genuinely feels like a small coupe when the weather is bad. Because the cabin is so small, it heats up really quickly and the heated seats work great. Even on short trips, it heats up almost instantly. Most people think that rear-wheel drive cars are unsafe during the winter, but with the MX-5, I don't think that's the case. The car is light, balanced, and predictable. On wet roads, you can actually feel what the tyres are doing. With decent tyres, you can still have fun. It's not perfect though. Ground clearance can be challenging, especially if your car is lowered like mine, but you just have to anticipate the road ahead and drive carefully. But if you accept that, it's far more usable than you think. So the MX-5 RF isn't just a summer car. I actually think it's one of the most underrated winter daily drivers out there. If you have an MX-5, let me know in the comments below on how you use yours in winter. I hope you found the video useful, and hopefully I've given you the confidence to enjoy your MX-5 in the winter as well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.